How's it going, guys? It's Dmitry here, and today I would like to discuss about another course that I'm really planning to create, and I'm really excited about that. And so it's going to be about creating an application from scratch, and the application going to utilize three technologies on the it's going to be a fully functional application with a front end, back end, and it's going to communicate with database. So it's going to use its own database. On the front end, I'm going to use React.js. Back end going to be implemented with Node.js. I'm going to use Express API. So it's a standard like Node.js server, I guess. And yeah, the database I'm going to use PostgreSQL in order, to communicate with Node.js. Yeah, I'm going to use this database essentially. And yeah, I think at the moment I'm thinking to use Kinect in order to create this connection between, you know, uh, between Node.js, or not connection, but ROM. I'm going to use Kinect, I guess. So and yeah, and I guess Kinect and objection. Just Google Kinect and objection, and yeah, you will see it's related to databases, and it's a ROM, which is it's kind of relational, object relational modeling or mapping. Sorry, object relation mapping. Anyway, guys, I'm really exciting, to work on this on series of tutorials related to this course, because I think it's going to be really interesting. And I think predominantly I'm going to target with this course, I'm going to target full stack software developers. But again, it's more to that, right? It's even front-end developers can find some interesting stuff, because I'm going to use the latest technologies, React.js technologies like hooks, and in case of backend developers, of course, I'm going to use like React, sorry, not React, but JavaScript on the backend, right? And yeah, pretty much it, guys. We'll see. I'm really excited for that, to work on this tutorials on this course in general. We'll see you soon, guys, and yeah, please subscribe, please like this video if you think it's a good idea to create this course. And yeah, let me know if you're interested in particular topics related to this upcoming course. And goodbye, guys, see you soon.